Hi guys. So today is kind of our Friday for the week. Tomorrow's Good Friday, so you don't have anything for any of our classes, but I wanted to send out a final remind video on things to do. We have several of y'all that haven't turned in anything. We got to get grades from you guys somehow, so please make sure you're getting something done for us. And the big key is make sure you're doing it for each subject. You should have assignments due for math, science, English, social studies. Those are your core things, and arts if you have art. I don't know about PE if they have one, but any of these that you see on your screen has an assignment in it, minus enrichment. Enrichment maybe not have anything, but everything else has an assignment on there, so make sure you're looking at it. We can't keep iterating that. If you're not looking at it by now, we've got an issue. If you need help, you need to be sending something to us, asking questions so we can help you as much as we can. So I'm going to show you here math one last time. Student view. Over here, one thing I wanted to show is you guys have a chat button on yours. Ask questions, please. Look at all these questions I have. I was doing my assignments in a video from Aislinn. So all these things, this is where you guys can chat with each other, or if you have a question for me, send it to me and I can answer as best I can and figure something out. So if you're coming on here with Jordan, you should be doing your work too, okay? Don't just get on to just come chat with people online. Come over here to your modules, and I've kind of updated this for you because so many of y'all are missing assignments. So here are all the assignments. I need to add one more, I think. But these are all your assignments for the week. Now, you should have been working off of your agenda. If you went to agenda and came here, they're the exact same assignments. But to make it easier, to make sure we have our grades in, I put under module everything that needed to be done for this week. So on Sunday, it is then considered late, and it will be a lower grade than 100 than it could be. So make sure you're getting that stuff done and turned in. Now, if I came here and I clicked it open, here's my assignment. Click Submit Assignment. Type in your answer. Submit assignment. If you're not submitting it, if you're not posting the reply, it does not come to us. So we have a big whopping nothing for you. Okay, we want to make sure you get stuff done. Discussions are a little bit different. It's kind of like a Facebook or a TikTok or an Instagram. Oh, that's for next week. Don't do that one. I'll take it off. But you click reply. You type your answer here and post reply, okay? So again, make sure you're getting this stuff done. Announcements is a place where you can find some other stuff. I did a welcome back thing for you. And then I also posted a TikTok that you guys could watch. So go check that out if you want to. Grades should be posted here as you get stuff turned in and I do it. You get your grades, so it should tell you here. If you got something low, you want to resubmit it. The last thing you have today is a test score. It says Friday test, but do it today so you don't have to worry about tomorrow. Let me know if there are any questions you have, comments, concerns, parents, you as well, please. Have a good Thursday.